So I thought I was done with my Tap 1 videos, but then a combination came up in my Tap 1 class this session that I did not cover. And my students have struggled with it a little bit, so I wanted to go ahead and put up a little video lesson for this combination so that they would have something to practice with at home. So this is a flat ball change, shuffle ball change combination. You are going to alternate between the two. So you go flat ball change, flat ball change, shuffle, ball change. It sounds simple, but it's not. The weight changes are a little tricky, and it's just something that at this point you're not used to doing this type of a combination yet. So it may take a little bit of work to get it. So in this combination, we are going to put the flat ball change and the shuffle ball change together. You're going to alternate between the two of them. And a lot of people find this kind of tricky when they first work on it, because you have a flat ball change where you're changing your weight every time, and then you have your shuffle ball change where you're not going to change your weight on the shuffle, but you will change it on the ball change. So starting really slow, you're going to start with the right foot and do a flat ball change, flat ball change, and then you're going to do a shuffle ball change with the left foot, shuffle ball change. Then the left foot's going to do the flat ball change, flat ball change. The right foot does a shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change. Right foot does a flat ball change. Left foot does a shuffle ball change. Left foot does a flat ball change. Right foot does a shuffle ball change. So putting those together, let's go kind of slow. You'll have 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. 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 Good. Let's do it one more time, maybe a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. Flat ball change, shuffle. Okay, so we can do this going forward like we just did. We can also do it going backwards. And you're going to change a few things up to make it easier going backwards. And I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to do that back flat ball change. And then you'll do a shuffle ball change, but the ball change is going to happen front back. Shuffle ball change. Then you'll do the back flat ball change on the left foot, back flat ball change. And then the right foot does a shuffle ball change with the ball change happening front back. Shuffle ball change. Then the right foot does the flat ball change. Left foot does a shuffle ball change. Front back. Then the left foot does flat ball change. Right foot shuffle ball change. Okay, so let's try some of those. Kind of slow to start. You have 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. 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 Okay, let's do that again, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat ball change, shuffle ball change. 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 Okay, now let's put this together into a nice little combination that you could insert into some choreography. So you are going to do 3 sets of the flat ball change, shuffle ball change going forward, starting with the right foot. So that'll be flat ball change, shuffle ball change, flat ball change, shuffle ball change, flat ball change, shuffle ball change. Then you're going to do just the flat ball change on the left foot. You're going to stamp with the right foot, which means you're putting your foot flat on the floor, and then you're going to clap. Then we're going to go backwards, starting with the left foot. So you'll go back, flap, ball change, shuffle, front, back, flap, ball change, shuffle, front, back, flap, ball change, shuffle, front, back, flap, ball change, stamp, clap. So again, you're doing 3 sets, and then 1 extra flap, ball change, a stamp, and a clap. Okay, let's put that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball lap, ball change, stamp. Back flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, back flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, back flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, back flap, ball change, stamp. Let's do that one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball lap, ball change, stamp. Back flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Back flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, back flap, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, ball lap, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Ball lap,